looked at was the advisors need to be able to explain the standpoint that we come up with math. We have a lot of classes that are offered in the high school level that seem to have the same names as courses that are offered in college. And the problem is the student comes in and says, well, I already had pre-calc. Why do I have to take your pre-calc? Or why do I have to take trig? I know trig. And what they realize is that it's not at the depth, or do they have the retention that is going to be required of them. So that this advisors need to be able to relate that when they're talking with their students initially. Contact. Can identifiers identify key courses and majors in which math is needed? That providing advisors with some additional information allow them to do that. Realize that, for example, chemistry, there might be a point where logarithms and the ability to manipulate logarithms would be useful. Use of common end subject exams used across the state for common course would help advisors. It would help them understand where the individual students are coming from, what their backgrounds are. Right now we have a non-uniformity that you have to deal with all the time. An A in pre-calc from one school may not necessarily come close to being a C from another school. That's a reality. Unfortunately, it is. So how do you balance that? Because some of our prerequisites for courses are based on what? C or greater in this course from high school. And then you have this disparity in your classroom. Notice the first two really are things that can be done immediately. They're kind of, we see it as kind of near-term goals. We can start moving towards those directions. The other one, use of common end subject, that seems to be evolving in the state, but it's going to take, that's not near-term by any means. It's evolutionary. It's going. But that would be something that I think would be beneficial. Their study plan, they decide that this career, they have this late game plan that they're supposed to be following, but can you get the follow-up? And then to monitor their progress, provide the follow-up. Okay, the first two actually are things that we can start working with. The excuse me, near vision and far vision are not what they used to be. Okay, Math 2, create a program in which junior and senior college students either go to the and meet with the middle school, high school students, act as tutors, interact with them in some way so they are getting communication at that level, create programs in which the colleges host sessions for career and major course study, exploration, and these all should be within close proximity to the schools. One case in point, I think Daytona Beach was talked about, presented there, do this on a regular basis, that they have a full day, three, they talk in the morning, they have like 3 courses that are presented. They actually get to see a chemistry lab do an experiment or do some aspect. So 3 different subjects. Then in the afternoon, after lunch, they're given career programs. So a 1-day session, they do it several times a year. Can we transplant this? And it's also based on the UCF program. The issue is UCF is centrally located, too far from many people. If we can do it at our own regional campuses or our own campuses, we then definitely start reaching and are able to help these high school advising programs in terms of career direction. Create homework support in math for middle and high school. Idea of possibly at the high school levels, preparing or putting together a support group, if you will, direct by faculty, in which the parents and the students can have. But this way, they would also see the importance that is being given to children. Children see that it's important. These were the 3 points. In this case, actually, the first one, create programs in which we can provide the ability to get students to go to local high schools and middle schools would be good. Some of it is in place, but we can try to develop that a little bit. The last one, create homework support, that again, more middle term. It's something we could look at. It involves more the school interaction, the high school levels interacting with their body, their district, and being able to establish it. So these were the points we came up with. Questions?